Beta USA entered the motocross world in 2021 with the introduction of their 300RX, a two-stroke model that provided a solid platform in design, handling, and looks. Along with the beauty of the bike, the factory sound of the 293cc motor was like no other. Riders quickly discovered what Beta likes to call rideability. Rideability is the smoothness, ease of handling, and overall comfort experienced on a Beta motorcycle. It encompasses factors such as throttle response, suspension performance, ergonomic design, and stability, all contributing to a seamless and enjoyable riding experience. Rideability is the perfect balance of power and agility that provides riders with confidence-inspiring control and effortless maneuverability, resulting in a gratifying ride, no matter the conditions. For the 2025 season, Beta is proud to release the details of the 300RX updates to enhance its platform. Updates to the 300 include changes to the engine, chassis, and suspension. A new frame highlights the model, one that mimics that of its older 450 brother. Features: new durable frame similar to the 450RX, new design of the rear master cylinder for reduced temperatures and better feel. New aluminum sub-frame, updated cylinder porting and new ignition timing to increase the bike's overall power. 5-speed transmission, upgraded foot pegs with enhanced grip and less bulk, updated expansion chamber, narrower radiators for greater turning radius, updated rear shock with larger body to reduce the oil temperature under extreme use, X-Trig Flex Fix handlebar mounts, smaller fuel tank, map switch to adjust power delivery, adjustable power valve, electric starter, and easy access air filter box. Engine: 293cc engine, KNPWK 38mm wet diaphragm style. Beta built single-cylinder, two-stroke, liquid-cooled, with BPV power valve system and counterbalancer. Electric start with backup kick starter sold as an option frame. Molybdenum steel, double cradle suspension. 48mm KYBAOS closed cartridge with adjustable compression and rebound. KYB 50mm body with adjustable rebound and high-low speed on compression adjustment. Disc brake 260mm floating rotor 240mm rotor. Wheels and tires: 21 inches, front, 19 inches, rear, Michelin Starcross.